Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to calculate the daylight saving time DST for United States of America. So it starts from second Sunday of March and ends on the first Sunday in the November. So I want to calculate this period in the Python. Okay. So let's see how to do it. So daylight saving time is starting from for USA second Sunday in the March and ends on the first Sunday in the November. Okay, guys. So let's see how to calculate the daylight saving time using Python. Okay. So let's import some packages. Import date time. Okay, from date time. Okay. And next is from date util. Import. Okay. Here I have to use import. Okay. From date util import date util dot relative delta. Okay, guys. From date util. Okay. So I have to import date, just import. Okay. Not from date util. We have to just import date util dot relative delta. Okay. So this relative delta is used to calculate the dates in the delta by giving 1 day, 2 days, weekdays like that. Okay, let's see. And first we have to calculate the start date, right? So start date is what uh, I will take the start date as the 1st March 2024, right? Present year is 2024. So let's define a year. Present year equal to date time dot today dot year, means it returns me present year. Okay. So my start date is start underscore date equal to 0301 plus str present year. Why I am using str? Because above this present year is in date time format. I'm converting into the string format. Okay. So now start date is in the string format. Then I will convert the string into the date. Okay. So start underscore date equal to, okay. So date time dot strip time. Okay. So start date, comma. So whatever format is there, the string format. So the same string format we have to give here. It is in the string format, right? So same string format we have to give here, which is percentage m, okay, slash percentage d slash percentage y, right? Then I will get from here again date. So I'm converting the string date into the date format using this strip time function. So I got the start date in the date format. Okay. Then I will take the number of days in the March, 31 days, right? So from March 1st to March 31st, I will increase one day by day. Then I will check whether it is a Sunday because I want to get the second Sunday of the March. Okay. So let's write a function def second Sunday March. Okay. So input argument is present year. Okay. then it will return me second Sunday. So how to write the logic? So start date is, okay. So start date is, we have 1st March, right? Okay. So this is my start date. Okay. This is my start date. Then end date equal to, right? So, okay, start date. Here I got the start date. So let me put inside the function that start date in the date format. Okay. So start date I got, end date equal to start date plus, okay. So date util relative delta plus relative delta. How many days? 1 day. Okay. So this I have to put in the for loop. So for I in range 1 to 31. So 1 to 30 it will take, and it will calculate the end date by increasing 1 day each time. Okay. So end day it is calculating by adding 1 day each time. And if that end day falls under Sunday, I will take that day into the consideration. End date dot weekday equal to 6. Okay. End date dot weekday if, right, if, okay, 6, then I will increase counter c equal to c plus 1. So before starting a function, we'll define c equal to 0, right? If c equal to 2, then return end date. Okay, that means it is returning the second Sunday in the March. Okay, guys. So March 1 to March 31st, I am calculating the end day here. Okay, right? Then I am calculating if it is a Sunday, then I am increasing the counter. If the counter is equal to 2, okay, what happens? It returns the end date. Okay, guys. So I got the second Sunday of March. Similarly, I will do for first Sunday in the November. Okay, first Sunday of November. Okay, C equal to Julia start date. Okay, here what is the start date, guys? Our start date is here. Okay, so for our start date here is November, right? 1101. First November I have to take. Similarly, we'll put this inside the function here. Okay. So start date, then we calculated the second Sunday of March. So first Sunday of November is 1st November I am taking. So 1 to 30 I am taking. Okay. Then I am calculating the each day. Right. Then if it is the Sunday, I am increasing counter by 1, and I want the first Sunday, right? So C equal to 1, return end date. Okay. There may be a chance of first day itself, November 1st may be Sunday, right? So we are interested in first Sunday of November. So it's better to put 0 here, right? Then start date may become Sunday sometimes. So it should be 0 to 30. Okay. Then all November 30 days we'll check, right? So 0 to 29 we can keep. So November 30 is last date, right? So, okay, 30 means up to 29 it will add. Okay. So November 30. So all November days we'll check if the weekday is Sunday 6, then increase the counter by 1. If c equal to 1, return end date. That means first Sunday of November. Okay, guys. So using two functions, we got second Sunday in the March and first Sunday in the November. Let us print the daylight period. Print f string daylight saving period in USA is from, what is the first function? Second Sunday is the March. Okay. To colored brackets, first Sunday of November. Okay, guys, let's run this program and see. Yeah, daylight saving period from in USA is from 10th March 2024 to first Sunday. So here I am getting the function. I am not giving the present year. That's why it's saying like that. Let's give me the present year here. Let's run it again. Okay, daylight saving period is in USA is from 10th March 2024 to year 11th, 3rd November 2024. So let's open a calendar and see whether 10th March is in the second Sunday of March. Okay, 10th March. 10th March. Yeah, 10th March is second Sunday. First Sunday is 3, second Sunday. Okay, our script is working fine. Then first Sunday of November, 3rd November. Okay. So 3rd November is the first Sunday of November. Okay, guys. So our script is working fine. So let's write a function, and for a given date, we'll check whether it is falling under daylight period or not. Okay. So def check if DST daylight period time, check if DST given date. Okay. So given date is in the string format I will supply, right? So okay. So let's print the given date first. So given date I am printing. Okay, guys. Then in this function, what I will check? I will check whether it falls between DST period, above calculated DST period or not. Okay. If so, given date I have to convert it into date, right? Okay. So same thing I will do here. So given date I am converting into the date. Given date, date times strip time. In this format I will supply. So date is I got in the date format. Then I write a if condition. If my first date is this one, right? Okay. Okay. If this date is less than or equal to given date, okay, and if it is less than or equal to, what is the last end date? 1st November of present year. Okay, this is if condition. If my given date is between the DST period, then print that, okay, given date, f string given date falls under daylight saving period. Okay. Else daylight for given date falls under daylight saving period, right? Then else print given date does not fall under daylight saving period. Okay, guys. So let's check here check if DST. Let's give a date here. So let me check one DST outside period. Let's take a February date. So 02/23/2024. Okay. So this is my date. Let's run the script and see. So there is error, guys, here. Let's see. Argument must be string, not date time. Okay. So start date. Here I forgot to change it to end date here. Okay. Right. So daylight period is from 10th March to 3rd November. So given date February 23rd you are given. So given date is does not fall under daylight period. Okay, guys. Let's give one daylight period time date. So let's take April 4th, 25th. So it should fall under the daylight period. Let's run the script and see. Yeah. So 25th April falls under daylight saving period. Okay, guys, like this, you can calculate the daylight saving period using Python and you can do in your development or testing. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Abhyani Tutorials, for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.